was my fourth day in the rain. Everything around me was soaked, so am I. Everything looked a lot more beautiful, although my vision was a little hazy. The rain wasn't really disturbing my ride at all. It was really calming. I slowly started to enjoy it. I started to get used to it. It was only 100 kilometers to Jog Falls, so I was taking it slow. But it was a huge mistake. By the time I reached Jog Falls, it was already dark. Was a little worried because I could only see one lodge there and I had only 300 rupees. And the only ATM there wasn't working. Forest officials didn't allow me to pitch a tent there. That was the first time I paid beyond my means, and I used Google Pay for that. It rained the whole night. That's how my day started. To be honest, I have never ridden my bike in conditions like these. The nature had gone crazy. Also, the roads were so slippery. My bike was slipping and sliding all over the place. I was riding a BS3 Himalayan, so it didn't have any rider aids. Hello. What is up? I stopped there to look at a good-looking suspension bridge over there. Felt so happy seeing people on the road. The rain was lashing me from the front. I had to use the visor, and it didn't do much help. This green bus seemed to be in a hurry, so I slowed down. Oh, seeing those mountains was a big relief. There's something special about these mountains, you know. I saw it rushing by the wrong side. I was not really surprised. The rains didn't show any mercy on me. See, I'm a person who always enjoys rain, but this was so irritating, to say the least. I started to see a series of accidents on the road. Bungee. Panji. अच्छा Panji, Panji. अयो. After riding a whole day in the rain, soaked to the bones, it looked like I reached Goa, finally. Sir, are you from here? Are you from here? Are you from Goa? Are you from here? Is there any hotels that I can stay? I mean, which is budget friendly? भाई साहब लॉज मिलेगा लॉज सर लॉज 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 do you have room?
Yeah. So how many people?
Only one guy. Okay.
Single. AC, non-AC.
Non-AC.
Non-AC is 1 to 3.
1 2 3 2.
3 to including nights. Checkout is 9.
Is there any budget friendly hotel that I can find?
What is your budget?
Anywhere between below 1000. Sorry?
Kisla Pata.
Kismet. Where is it?
The next lane. See, the thing is, what I can give you a room for 1,000 rupees, but there's no hot water, there's no TV.
I don't care.
It's a bit small, I can show you the room.
I don't care if it doesn't have all this. I just want the bed, that's it. Although 1,000 rupees was far beyond my budget, I decided to stay back at this hotel.